Hello, everyone. Thank you for being part of this. Trying to as much my best to do a couple tutorials a day or every other day, just to give people ideas on how they can use the DIY apps.ca platform to build nice and robust apps. So for today, we're gonna do a church app. One of the examples is one of my clients asked about how can we make an app for our church to be able to help people with the events, put on their bulletins, be able to send out push notifications and things like that, just to get the community engaged with the church itself and their community activities that they do. They have a website, yes, but when you have an app, you can leverage time, things like the mobile technology, push notifications, and things like that, geofencing, all those things to help you minister. People can quickly get access to your church information and things like that. So today, quickly show you how you can start off to build an app with our platform for a church or a non-profit organization, as you know. All right, so to your browser, you just go to DIYapps.ca, DIYapps.ca. It will take you to this page. Once you're on that page, click on Get Started. It will load up. So right now we're gonna do a church. So that's will be more on the religious and non-profit. We can pick depending on whichever template you like. It's pretty much a start off, so you can always edit it later on. So it's not, but we're gonna choose this one that we're gonna start work with. And then you start with the template, and then give it an app name. For the industry, we'll pick something close to religious institution. Put your first name, last name, website if you want. But as you can see, um, we only the only so like your website is not mandatory. First name, last name is mandatory. Email and password. All right. So once you have put that down, it should take you to this page. So once we are on this page, as you can see, like I don't need to do much though, right? I can change the name to your church name, change Easter worship or Sunday worship, right? And just change the dates. Like everything is good to go for you. The only thing we need to do is to go to on each screen and be able to change the text and things like that, and which we'll go through right now. So if you haven't watched my other video about how to set up or build an app, it will show up on my playlist and you can be able to watch it. But just a quick rundown. This is the menus, so where you can go to your home screen and start changing your home screen. So for this home screen, we are using outline action item. You can change this image to any other image that you want. Just click on the image itself and then go to your browser. Right now we don't have any images, so let's do stock. Just pick anything. We just use this mic right now, and then you see it will change your image there, right? So let's just undo that with Control Z. So this one you can change to daily prayer. Just add the name, right? Everything is on the side. Whatever you change here, it changes up here. If the layout that you don't feel the layout, you can always change the layout. We have so many different kind of layouts. If you like this one, you can use that layout. If you like this particular one, you can use that layout. But I always love this one. I like the what do you call it? It's like a transparent thing, right? So all right, so we'll leave that. So back to the content, the design, so the background, right? So if you don't want a background, you can do that. Layout, you have gone through that. Security, Pretty much if they you require them to log in to access a certain screen. So all this is by default. All screens have these menus up top, so they'll be all the same. Um, for for the features, you can do your features. Pick whichever features that you'll be working on. So right now, these are the default ones that we have on the system, not on the system, on this particular app. So you can always change them as you go. For the design, this is where you can do your branding. So if you want to change your images and things like that, change not your images, your text, your colors, your app icon. And always, if you have questions or you have doubts, there's a help button here. You can always click on that. Security, this is the login screen. You can always change the image on the login screen. You can do a lot of things. In-app purchase, you don't need that because Apple won't allow you to do any direct unless you are obviously connecting with their in-app. But for the Titan offering, you just put the link for your Titan offering, and then it will open a page for them. Push notification, users, analytics, they're all the same. All right. So what I will do is so once everything is set up and you are like on point, right now because it's not upgraded, so you need to upgrade. You need to upgrade to one of the plans, and you can be able to publish the app to Android and Apple stores. Um, so once you upgrade, then we have a coupon. Um, so you can always get the coupon on the first page, the sign up page. Um, so our coupon code right now is DIYapps. So it gives you like $100 off on the first 6 months, and then it goes to the standard pricing. All right. So next we'll go to let's start from the home page. So as you have seen, I was able to edit the home page. Let's say I want to edit past sermons. So this one, let's see, it's a media central. So that means you can be able to upload either the digital media itself or use a URL. So you have different ways you can be able to show your sermons. Sometimes if you have an RSS feed, you can be able to use that too. Um, so once you're done with that, change to whatever you want. If you have podcasts, so the same idea. Beautiful out, nice and sunny. So I'll be doing a small walk with the kids after this. All right, so this is the RSS feed I was talking about. So you can always, so whenever you have new sermons, when they upload on your website or whatever podcast you are doing, it will automatically sync with your app. The other piece will be for your events. So this one, we typically use the calendar screen. So you have two. You have the events manual. So this one you manually add the events, or you can use a calendar ical feed. So whenever you update your calendar, either Google or Microsoft, then you can be able to it updates it automatically. So you won't be able to. You don't need. You can either do this one or you do the syncing one, with the link. Um, and then blog will be the same idea as the RSS feed. So you can be able to do a blog with an RSS feed, or as you can see, you can add your items. So same idea. Media Central, you can do a lot of things. Either you can do media, or you can do videos, or you can do your blogs like text and things like that. Yeah. So same thing. Congregation, donate. So this is the same. We talked about the link. So you can always just add your link for your donating, and then choose in app or outside, and it will definitely work. The side menu, that one you can edit from the side menu option. So here You can also, instead of having, you can have things on the first screen, or have it on the side menu, and people can also pick things that way, right? And this is where you add a new feature or add an existing. So when you add an existing, you can pick to whichever features that's there already. Or if you're adding a new one, then it take you to the marketplace, and then you pick a new feature or a new screen. Um, and the other one, the beauty is, let's say, about us. Let's go to the about us. So I wanted to show you how why I love this platform. When I'm building apps for my clients, I like to find ways to make that easy. So you see, like here they put like your daily prayer. The beauty about this, what you can do is, when you add a feature, um, let's use let me use another one. Uh, let me use let's go to the events. I think the events will demonstrate what I want. So when I say add new event, um, put a title, say new event, and then at the end here at the bottom, when I say add action items, this is what I was trying to show. I love this. If you want to do a push notification, so when someone kind of clicks on the button, it pushes out a push notification or sends a notification of something. You can do contacts if you just put an email. So whenever someone clicks on that, it will open the phone email, and then you can be able to show you can be able to email people phone number, maps, social media, web content, any app content that you have. So it's really, really nice and robust. You can customize as much as you want. So that's what I will show you for today. And then you can always your push notification, your app settings, and always your homepage is there. You can also do bookmarks. People can do bookmarks. You can do summon notes. Like there's so much stuff you can be able to do, and this really helps. Kind of, it will help customize your app for for your congregation. All right, so that will be it for today. So see you guys next time. Tomorrow I'll another drop one for the fitness people. Those people who like building muscles, the fitness trainers, and all of those guys. So thank you for hanging out, and I hope this will be able to at least get you going, building apps for churches and non-profits. All right, see you.